This is a short introductory video to the labor picture lab that is due in week 2. And I just wanted to explain what all of this really meant. So let's start with the easier one. The easier one is this type. Now these are all talking about percentages straight across. When you say points, basically it means a change from the percent. So this change of plus 2 points means that the month previous, October, would have been at 10.3% rather than at 10.5% because it went up by 0.2%. So the October version here would have been 10.3%. And a year ago, it went up by 2.9%. So basically, you just have to subtract. That would give you 7.6. So November of last year, it would have been 7.6%. Yeah, that sounds right. So those are actually kind of easy to work with, and then you can take the percent of the population with these numbers. The more difficult one is this type down here. The wording is exactly the same, the 1 month change and the 1 year change, but here, let me get rid of that circle right now. This is talking about the total number of people, 136.2 million, because it's in millions. And this is a percent change based on that number. So if you're going to work with these two things, it's not just, add and subtract 0.4 from this number. You have to actually use the grandma formula. Depending on if x is positive or negative, you would use plus or minus here. And remember, x over 100 is changing a percent into a decimal. So if you change your percent into a decimal, don't divide by 100. All right, so here we have our new value, which is 136.2. And we're looking for the old value. 1 month ago, it was 4% more, 0.4% more. So in here, we would go 1 minus 0.4 divided by 100 and solve for g, grandma, the old value, the 1 month ago value. So you figure out this number and divide it across, and you would find out what g is equal to. So that's the big difference between the way the percents are written and the percent changes are written. So up here, these are absolute changes, and down here, these are relative changes. Well, I hope that helps you interpret the table a little bit better.